Can this one small product actually make a difference in your riding? We're at Fox Raceway today testing out the corner coach seat bump and putting it to the test with a lap time challenge. Now the bike we'll be riding today is a 2024.5 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. This bike is new for 2024, and what you can see right there is the windowed frame, and that's going to be the big difference. The bike is a little bit softer than it has been in years past. The new 2023 and 24 models were a bit stiffer and had some different feedback from riders and race team riders alike. So this bike is new for 2024, 0.5, like I said. It is the factory edition, so you're gonna get the Red Bull graphics, the gripper seat cover, the split anodized clamps, the GPS unit up front here, pull shot start device, factory edition wheels, a factory clutch cover, the Red Bull graphics, and the gripper seat cover. Okay, so yes, this bike has the factory seat on it. It's got a gripper seat with ribs on it. Now, one thing that you're gonna say, well, why would you need the corner coach seat bump? Why would you need that on this bike? So the ribs on this seat really do help keep you in place, but something that I have a hard time with is when I'm sitting on the bike, a lot of times I sit too far back. And so when I go from that standing position to the seated position, I'm already sitting too far back. And while these ribs, let's keep the bike on the stand here, while these ribs are helpful, it's hard to tell sometimes which rib you're sitting on. If you're sitting on the first one or if you're sitting on the last one. And so while it will help keep you in place for sure, using the seat bump will help you with the proper body positioning. So when you sit down, you'll feel it behind you and know that you need to be up in front of that bump rather than, even if you sit far back on one of these ribs, you might still have poor body position, but the seat will help keep you in place. It's kind of like a cheater kit. With this thing, you're gonna actually practice better body position and it's gonna hold you in place, so it's kind of a twofer. So what's cool about this thing is it has a phone app with a GPS tracker in it. So it's gonna be able to tell me my lap times. It's gonna be able to see if I'm riding faster with the seat bump on or with the seat bump off. So I'm gonna do a moto without the seat bump. We're gonna look at the lap times, see what sections I'm riding fast in, and then we'll do a moto with the seat bump on and see if it does any improvements. All right, first moto heading out. We're at Fox Raceway on the KTM, courtesy of Cycle News. Thanks guys for loading us the bike. We got no seat bump on right now. We're gonna leave the track, check the lap times when we get back to put the bump on, see if we get any better lap times. Just finished up the first moto, did 3 laps, testing out some different lines. The new KTM app, super cool. So I'll read you out the lap time. Lap 1, a 151.0. Lap 2, a 148.7. Lap 3, a 149. So right now the time to beat, a 148.7. We're gonna get the corner coach seat bump on the bike. Just showing here that I can make up some time in the corner by carrying some more speed, and I did notice I was kind of sitting far back, not getting on the gas as fast or as hard as I should be. So we're gonna get the seat bump on and then go back out for another moto and test a different lap time. Okay, so to get this thing installed on the KTM, it's super easy. All you're gonna need is a 8mm T-handle. You're gonna take this top bolt off here, set this over on the handlebar. To take this bolt off, slide the seat up. This is how you're gonna get the best fit. So I'm gonna slide it on from the back here. And with the rib seat cover, it's actually gonna fit perfectly. I'm gonna go 3 ribs from the back, and I'm just gonna cinch it down here with this strap, right in between these ribs. And this way, I'll be able to sit right in this, whoo, big panic rev. This way I'll be able to sit right in this perfect pocket right here. It's gonna hold me back. I don't really need the back part of the seat anyways. If I'm sitting this far back, I'm either way far off the back, stretching it out. So this is where I like to have it for cornering. So pretty easy, just cinch it, slides on. I'm gonna put the seat back on, take the bolt. And get this T-handle, this bolt back in place. So super easy, goes on in about a minute, and now we're ready to ride with the corner coach seat bump. Okay, Moto 2, we're gonna compare lap times. We've got the seat bump on. The seat bump is on now. We're gonna go out and do some motos, try to get those turns better and improve those lap times.
Now there's a yeah, I want to
See how beat up the track is now, but
a lot of corner speed there. Gotta carry that speed. Outside, outside.
hot as the track is getting pretty beat up. Let's go through the lap times on the KTM app. So our time to beat was a 1:48.7. That was the best lap from the first moto. Put the corner coach on, went out for 4 more laps. Lap 1, 146.3. Lap 2, 147.3. Lap 3, 147.25. And the final lap, 146.5. So every lap was faster that session. A 146.3 was our best. It's like 2.5 seconds faster. Reading the app, you can see I opened up the turns a little bit more, carried more speed through them. Sitting in the right position really held the bike down, allowed me to power through the ruts with more speed, more consistency, and link the track together all around. So say what you will, 2.5 seconds a lap right here. You can leave it on, you can figure it out where you want it and leave it on, or you can take it off if you decide that you figure out you know where you like it and you've protected your corner. So for me personally, I'm keeping it on. I'm gonna try to beat this time. Maybe get another half second or 0.3 out of that, and I'm gonna keep the seat bump on here and keep riding with it. All right, you guys, we started the day asking the question, can this product really improve your lap times? Well, looking at the KTM app and all the data, it looks like we knocked off about 2 seconds off our lap time. So answer is, yeah, you're gonna improve your riding, you're gonna sit better on the bike, you're gonna have better body positioning, which gives you more control in your turns. The turns is where the races are won or lost. Everyone says jump for show, corner for dough. Our motto, learn to turn with the corner coach seat bump. It slides on, universal fit in a big bike or a mini size. Not many of you are gonna make it all the way to the end in this video, but for those who do, we really appreciate you. We wanna offer you a discount code. Use code YouTube at checkout at thecornercoach.com. We'll give you a little something extra for sticking around for this video. So thank you guys so much. If you like what you see, like, follow, subscribe. We're gonna be posting more content coming up. So thank you guys so much. See you guys out at the track.